In this video, I will show you how you can change currency on Exness. So firstly, you want to open this main page on Exness. You can do it from also if you are on terminal, you can do it by clicking on those 9 dots and then personal area. And from here, you want to choose my accounts under trading. And it works same for real or demo account. But you need to create a new account to be able to change currency. So I can't change like currency on this existing demo account. So it's in USD. And to be able to get, let's say, euros, you want to click on open account. From here, you can choose from those accounts. So let's say this is standard, then click on continue. And from here, you need to choose if you want to open demo or real account. So in this case, I will show you on demo, but it's same for real. And here you will see this field which says currency, and you just want to click on it, and here you can find your currency, and that's pretty much it. So I want this euros. I'm gonna choose euros. You can also set starting balance, so let's say 100,000. You can choose nickname, max leverage, platform, and you also need to set this trading password. So I'm gonna quickly type my password and then hit create account. And now as you can see, you have account in euros. So this is how you can change currency on Exness. Now if you click on trade, you can choose if you want to trade on Exness Terminal or MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to choose Exness Terminal. And now you should see euros. So this is how you can change currency on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.